Two little brats flying all over the place. These are the English Budgie babies. Here's my pure little white one. He's she's hazelnut color. It's like a white lace wing. These guys fly like professionals. This one here I think has a home. And then I still have that one that I might keep. Because I have a female that needs a mate. Let me zoom in. One's kind of a violet color, which is that one. And this one's a sky blue. And then we have this pretty white glowing one. Get over there. These are my hand-fed baby English budgies. You can kind of see the difference in these two, the color. That one's got kind of a, this one here, purpley violet color. Like a lavender. Actually, yeah, like lavender. And this one's a sky blue color. They're so happy to get out of their brooder. They need to go into a cage now. They're so much more happier now that they're out of their brooder. But I only keep them in there to keep the Princess of Wales baby happy. But I think I'm going to put them all in the cage now. Hello guys, what do you think? That's my favorite one. Thanks for watching, you guys.